We'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs for TikTok streaming. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Once there, you'll want to download and install Streamlabs Desktop if you haven't already. After installation, open the application and log in with your account. Make sure to connect your TikTok account. You can do this by going to the settings and selecting the streaming option. Here, you should see an option to connect to TikTok. Follow the prompts to authorize Streamlabs to access your TikTok account. Once connected, you'll need to set up your stream. Go to the Sources panel in Streamlabs. Click the plus sign to add a new source. Choose Display Capture if you want to stream your entire screen, or Window Capture if you want to stream a specific window. Adjust the settings to fit your preferences. Next, go to the Scenes panel and arrange your sources as you like. You can add overlays, alerts, and even widgets to enhance your stream. Now, go back to the main dashboard and select Go Live. You'll be prompted to enter your stream key, which you can find in the TikTok Creator Studio under the Live section. Copy this key and paste it into Streamlabs. Before going live, make sure to test your stream. Use the Test Widget feature to ensure alerts and overlays are working correctly. Once everything looks good, hit the Go Live button. You'll be streaming directly to TikTok from your desktop. Remember to interact with your viewers during the stream to keep them engaged. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.